day, my peeps. Good day, good day, good day. Right. As you can see here, I got two lovebirds here. A male and a female. I got a question. Apart from sunflower seeds, what is the next best thing that these birds can be fed? Because I've been giving them the sunflower seed, which they really like, but you know what I mean? I really want to change it up a little, you know, kind of mix up things, because we know too much of one thing, you know, is not good. So, and I'm sure they would like to be introduced to something else, something different, you know what I mean? So I'm wondering, I'm really wondering what next I can or I can substitute something for the sunflower seed whenever I don't feel like giving them. They are so lovely. I was told, I did a little research and I was informed that fruits like banana, watermelon and stuff like that is good, but I gave him a few times and it doesn't seem like it's well with them, or I haven't seen any sign of them attempted to eat it, or so I stopped giving it. So I'm really looking to try something else, give them something else. In the future, I want to, extend their home from this cage that you're seeing now. I want to extend it, get them something bigger, something that they can reproduce in. Yeah. For the time being, they're chilling in this for the moment. Yeah, man. But as soon as times allow me, I will change up this home for them, make it more comfortable, bigger, where them can stretch their wings and stuff. It'll be easier, better, and so that they can also reproduce. Yeah, they're so lovely. They are so lovely. And I'm a bird lover, so you can just imagine what is it like for me to care for these little cuties. And another question for you guys. I know that these are lovebirds, but what type of lovebirds are these? I did my research and I get to understand that there are a lot of species of lovebirds. So what type of lovebird are these? One of you guys can type it in the comment section, please. I will really appreciate it. I'm thinking about naming, giving each one of them a name. The one on the top there, that's the female, and the one on the ring there is the male. That is between the circle thing there. Yeah. But I love them. I really, really love them. Despite the noise and stuff that they make in the morning, I really love them. Really love them.